How many cups are in a quart? And again, this here we are in the imperial system, measuring volume. So it's asking us how many cups are in a quart, right? So again, I can write down my conversion factors here. I know that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, and that's the unit of interest here. 1 quart here equals 2 pints, and 1 pint here equals 2 cups here. So given that information, I'm simply going to convert quarts into cups, right? So given this information, I can do my unit analysis now, right? I can say that in 1 quart, I'm going to multiply that by how many pints are in a quart. Well, I have 2 pints in a quart, right? So 2 pints in 1 quart. And then finally, how many pints are in a cup? Well, I have 2 cups in 1 pint, right? And this here, again, you can see here, my quarts cancel out and my pints cancel out here. So I'm left here with only cups here. So I'm simply doing 1 times 2 times 2, which is 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 here is 4. So therefore, it's going to equal 4 cups. So this, you can write your solution as, therefore, 4 cups in 1 quart. And this solution here is believed is correct. Again, they said 1 quart equals 2 times 2 cups. So this here is 4 cups. So the solution here is, the answer here is 4 cups, not 32. So they wrote their solution wrong here. So I'm going to say solution is correct. Final statement is wrong. There are 4 cups in 1 quart. So I'm going to say solution is incorrect just so they can kind of correct this guy here.